Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. We are back in Nonna's Brooklyn basement today. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And what are we going to cook today?
Oh, today they gotta cook chicken, potato, and this they call chicken and potato alla Pugliese. This
Ooh.
very good recipe.
Guys, we are making one of the easiest baked chicken and potato dishes you can ever imagine. You won't believe how easy it is to throw together, and it's so flavorful. We got some olives in here, we got some cherry tomatoes, some potatoes for a little sostanza, you know, you need a starch sometimes. Some nice herbs, garlic. You're gonna love everything in this dish. So let's just talk about what we're gonna put in it. Right here we have some chicken thighs and drumsticks. These are skinless but not boneless. You want the meat to be on the bone because that's what locks in all the flavor really. We have some white wine, some extra virgin olive oil, some rosemary, thyme, and garlic. If you don't like any of those, feel free to not use them or use what you do like, what kind of herbs you do like. Some salt, some mixed olives. We have some mixed cerignola and gaeta olives here, pitted. We have some cherry tomatoes, and we have two potatoes, two Idaho potatoes. But you can use Yukon Gold, you can use the red ones, whatever you like. And we got some Nonna's oregano from Italy. So this is going to be super easy. Everything goes right in this bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start?
Yeah, sure.
So I'm going to let Nonna peel her, cut her potatoes. Posso avere l'altro coltello per piacere?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. And I'm going to start by doing the garlic and the herbs and stuff. So what we're doing right now is making a marinade for the chicken. So this, we're going to throw it in the fridge, cover it, throw it in the fridge for at least a half hour, but for as long as you want. So you can start doing this in the morning. Put it in the fridge in the morning, and then when you come home, just dump it into a roasting pan, throw it in the oven, and in about an hour, you got dinner. I mean, how easy is that? Nonna, you like this dish?
Yeah, I love it.
Very easy, right?
Very easy, very good. That tastes very good.
That tastes very good, eh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Tagli pure quella come hai tagliato questa. Okay.
Just adding our rosemary. What's better than rosemary and chicken together? Just pull it all off the stems. I'm going to save a few sprigs to kind of decorate at the ends. Do some thyme, fresh thyme. If you have the dry one and that's all you have, it's totally fine too. Okay, and some rosemary. This is Nonna's rosemary that she gets. Where do you get this, Nonna?
From Italy, this.
Who sends you this?
Giacara.
Zia Chiara, her baby sister sends her rosemary.
My baby sister.
So we're gonna put about 2 spoons of this. This is really as much as you like. And again, for the complete recipe and a full list of ingredients, just head to cookingwithnonna.com. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. Nonna's not a huge fan of rosemary. So, you know. We have our sliced cherry tomatoes going right in. We have our olives going right in. Our olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. The vino. And of course we need some salt on this. Now you don't need too much salt because the olives are nice and salty. E mo giriamo col cucchiaio.
Yeah.
So now we just want to toss this all together. And this is really such a beautiful, comforting dish, especially in like the nice colder months. Who doesn't want to come home to something roasting in the oven? So good. Just want everything to get nice and cozy together. How do you think? It's a good?
Yeah, look good.
Okay. So now we're just going to cover this with some foil or some plastic wrap, whatever you have. We're going to throw it in the fridge, right? Deve riposare.
Yeah.
Why deve riposare, nonna?
Because insaporisce, you know, they take all the taste, ingredient you put.
They got to take all the nice taste. So
Yeah,
at
sure.
least a half hour, but you could do it overnight. You could start in the morning. Longer, the more flavor, obviously. And then we're going to come back and we're going to show you how to bake it. Okay, so this baby has been marinating.
Yeah.
Alrighty. And we're going to get ready to bake it now, okay? So
Sure.
you got to put inside.
Okay.
This is a 9x13 pan. And everything is going to be fabulous in here. I have to get that little piece of,
Everything.
yeah, everything. Otherwise, you know, the whole thing won't come
Yeah.
out good. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that all the chicken pieces are nestled kind of towards the bottom. So they cook well. And that's it.
That's all.
That's all.
It's ready for cook now.
Okay. So this we're going to put into
Very
a
good.
400-degree oven for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, just until the meat starts to pull away from the bone. Now halfway through, if you want to take a look at it, move some stuff around, jiggle it a little bit, totally fine. Check on it. Make sure you check on it. And when we come back, we're going to show you what it looks like when it's all baked and we're ready to eat.
Okay, it's ready now.
Okay, it's ready now. Nonna's right. Our chicken looks gorgeous.
Oh, they look very good.
How do you think, Nonna?
C'ho la voglia di mangiarli.
Nonna wants to
I
eat
have
some now.
appetite now.
So let's get a nice drumstick. So if you see, this is how you judge how it's done. If you see like the meat's gonna pull really easily away from the bones. It's nice and tender.
Yeah.
That baby's
See?
done.
Yeah.
And it looks so flavorful. You want some potato?
Yeah.
I love the way Nonna says potatoes.
Some olive I want.
You got it, you got it.
Yeah, yeah, I love it.
Some potato, some olive. You guys see all that good stuff we put in here. The olives, tomatoes, potatoes.
Yeah.
You see it all. Now, if you wanted to, you could throw this right under the broiler for an extra minute. I think we have a nice, char on the potatoes. This is also the kind of thing that's going to be amazing tomorrow. Like reheated, this is so good.
That's so good, I know.
We're going to have some juice. You want some of juice?
Yeah.
Okay, we put in the juice.
Okay.
Oh,
Very good.
excuse me. I'm going to let Nonna try it.
Oh, thank you.
You want to taste?
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to taste some of the chicken.
Mm,
And I want a piece of potato.
so good.
Oh my goodness. Man, that's good.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Look at how gorgeous that chicken is. It's like butter. Nonna just stole my piece of chicken. I was going to eat that.
Mm, very good.
Oh my
I
God,
love
it's
it.
amazing.
Okay, you want to eat?
Yeah, let's eat.
Mm.
Set the table. Call mommy upstairs and we're going to eat now.
I know.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Sorry, we gotta go because we gotta eat now. This was amazing. So fast, so delicious. One of my
Very
favorite
good.
recipes.
I love it.
I love it too. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we gotta eat.
This good. This plate, you make first plate, the second plate. So very good.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys next time on Cooking with Nonna. Nonna, thank you for being my Nonna today and every day.
Bye everybody.
Whoa.
Good luck for everybody.
We gotta eat some chicken.